Okay, so for the first problem for 5.3 is number 23. We have 9x to the third, y to the sixth, z squared, minus 12x to the fourth, y to the fourth, z to the fourth, plus 15x to the x squared, y to the fifth, z to the third. Alright, so we're going to find our greatest common factor. Right off the bat, I noticed that 3 can go into all three of our larger numbers on the outside. So we're going to take 3, and then we have x to the third, x to the fourth, and x squared. So we're going to take x squared, and we have y to the sixth, y to the fourth, and y to the fifth. So we're going to take y to the fourth, and then we have z squared, z to the fourth, z to the third. So we're going to take z squared. So we'll write that on the outside of our parentheses. Y to the fourth. And then so 3 goes into 9 3 times. Then we have a leftover x. Then we have y squared left over. Then we have no z. Minus 4 x squared. No y. Z squared. Plus 5. No x. Y, z. And that's your final answer. Okay, so the next one is 30. And it is negative 2x squared plus 4x minus 12. And so right off the bat, I noticed that our greatest common factor is negative 2. So I'm going to take a negative 2 out, which gives us x squared minus 2x plus 6. And that's our answer. Next one is 40. And that is r times t minus 3 minus s t minus 3. And so our greatest common factor is t minus 3. So that's going to give me t minus 3 times an r minus s. That's our answer. And then the last one is 50. And that is a to the third minus 3a squared plus 6 minus 2a. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this up to a to the third minus 3a squared, parentheses, plus 6 minus 2a. And then this one I'm going to factor an a squared out. So that gives me a minus 3 plus, and over here I'm going to factor a negative 2 out. And that gives me negative 3 plus a. I'm going to rewrite this one. A squared, a minus 3 plus negative 2, a minus 3. And then so right away I notice right here that our greatest common factor is a minus 3. So I'm going to take a minus 3, parentheses, and a squared minus 2. And that's our answer.